It's Obokmanse Dental Clinic. If you've got temporomandibular joint pain, you know what I'm talking about, right? For temporomandibular joint issues, it's all about Obokmanse Dental Clinic in Guro Digital Complex, Seoul, South Korea.
Today, we're going to look at a success story of a patient who had heat and pain in the jaw, and clicking sounds from the jaw. My left TMJ has been hurting for 3 days since I chewed something hard. I've heard noises from my jaw before, but this is a new sound. It sounds like grinding sand, and it's not painful when I open my mouth wide, but it's uncomfortable. The sound only happens when I open my mouth, and it doesn't hurt when I eat. There is heat in my jaw. The right side is fine. It's okay when I eat, but it's uncomfortable when I open my mouth.
For most patients with temporomandibular joint issues, proper muscle relaxation and jaw correction can lead to a speedy recovery.
At Obokmanse Dental Clinic, we performed just one TMJ treatment session. After the treatment, the pain was gone, the jaw sounds almost disappeared, and the heat in the jaw was gone. We then concluded the TMJ treatment.
You know about temporomandibular joint pain, right? Temporomandibular joint treatment is right here, at Obokmanse Dental Clinic in Guro Digital Complex, Seoul, South Korea.